Welcome to Ask a Teacher, a new program where readers ask questions and teachers answer them. You probably know a lot of food words, such as bread, apple, and rice. But knowing which foods are countable and which are not can be tricky. In today's Ask a Teacher, Abdo from Sudan writes,
How do I know which foods can be plural? For example, if I want two of some food, can I say, I would like 2 beefs or I would like 2 breads?
Hello, Abdu, and thanks for writing to us. To answer your question, it depends on where you are asking for these things. If you are asking for bread in a restaurant, you're probably asking for slices or pieces, but in a bakery, you're probably asking for loaves. If you are asking for beef in a market, you're probably asking for grams. But in a restaurant, you're likely to ask for pieces. In other words, you do not add an S to beef or bread. That is because these foods are non-count nouns, nouns that have only one form. They do not have a plural. Meats, grains, and liquids are usually non-count nouns. Sugar, salt, and pepper are too. To show you are talking about more than one of these nouns, you put another word or phrase in front of them. Often, different foods take different wording. Below are some common phrases you might use. 2 bowls of rice, 2 ears of corn, 2 bags of flour, 2 pieces or loaves of bread. Piece also works for meats when you are asking for an amount of food for a plate. 2 pieces of chicken, 2 pieces of lamb, 2 pieces of fish, 2 pieces of beef. If you are shopping in a market, you might ask for 2 grams of chicken, lamb, or other meat. With liquids, you often describe the container it comes in. 2 glasses of water, milk, or juice, 2 cups of coffee or tea, 2 cans or bottles of soda, 2 pitchers of lemonade. For sugar, salt, and pepper, it also depends on whether you are purchasing an amount or just want a small amount for your meal. 2 packs or bags of sugar, or 2 pinches or shakers of salt or pepper. The good news is that most other food nouns are count nouns. They have singular and plural forms. For example, apple is a singular count noun. To make it plural, you can just write or say apples. Whew! That is a lot easier. And that's Ask a Teacher. I'm Alice Bryant.
Do you have a question for Ask a Teacher? Write to us in the comments area. Be sure to list your country of origin.